Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Boy, I don't know. I just came in, guys. We had staff meeting today, and I just got in here. And I walk in the house, and I smell a home-cooked meal. And I was so happy I started singing. My brother looked at me like, But guys, listen to me. Wives, if you're out there, mothers, listen to me, man. The nicest thing, even for me, I come home, I'm not really hungry. Because even though I didn't have my clusters today, I did bring my clusters, my ketos, my coconut, pumpkin, and almond clusters, right? These are nice to snack on. Good rough edge, lot of fiber, guys. They're so good for you, for the intestines. So I do have it left. I didn't eat it today because today was a busy day. And I also have my mandarins, right? They're 3, but they're small, right? And so I bring them, and I didn't enjoy them today. So I have 2 things that I'm coming home to enjoy tonight. But when you walk into a home and you smell that home-cooked meal, it's something beautiful. I don't know for you guys. It could, maybe for you it doesn't matter. You grab some fast food and you go home. But the fast food doesn't do it. For me, because I'm not doing the fast food, really, I like a home-cooked meal. When you come home, your home should smell like family. And family for me is a home-cooked meal where everybody comes, you serve, they sit at the table, they eat together. You could look at your kids and see if they're stressing out. You can have conversation to see where their minds are. You can talk to your boys and see what's going on with them. Are they angry? Are they aggressive? Are they impatient? All of these things you can identify if you're sitting at a table and having a nice home-cooked meal. So I come in and I'm not hungry. I saw what Donnie prepared, but I'm not hungry. I'm going to have this. I'm going to have a cup of tea and I'm going to be okay. But just the smell, it's good. Some people, they have their homes and they buy the furniture and they buy them stuff, but it's just for if visitors come. They don't buy them to enjoy them. They don't want fish to smell up them house. Them don't want food frying and smell up them. I love it. I love to come in and smell that my home is a home. I love it, guys. I just love it. It's just something I adore. I like it. And even if it's just sauce or dumpling and some ackee and saltfish, man, cook it up and sit at the table with your kids and enjoy it. If it's just some soup, throw some vegetable in the pot and cook a piece of yam and dumpling in there. Sit at the table, serve it out and sit at the table and enjoy it. Talk to your picnic them. For you one with them, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 of them, sit down. And if it's one banana finger, cut it up and sit down together and enjoy it. Build strong family ties. Build those things that last forever. Because kids will remember, man. Kids will remember that no matter how hard mama did have it, mama never make we go bed hungry. Mama find time to talk to it. Listen to the children, how they speak. Some kids have no, I don't care. Should I talk to your mother? I don't care. She doesn't care anyway. Not a good thing. A child that you sit with and they know you're there regardless of how poor or how rich you are. It's a child who learns to appreciate, learns to listen, learns to talk to. You talk to some kids, they can't even hold a conversation. How are you? Fine. And if you don't ask another question, not a word, they cannot say, so how are you today too? Nope, because nobody is having conversations with them. A lot of our kids today are just, what are they? TV kids, technology kids. They're not human beings. They're not taught those things that creates that that balance for humanity, the meanness, the things that they do, the things that come out of their mouths, their attitude, their impatience, their imbalance, their lack of logical thinking. It's gone because they never got the chance to even learn to think. So people look, as I said, for me, I come home, I smell, open the front door, and as soon as you open the front door, man, even the second door closed, but you can feel the waft of good home cook scents coming out. And when I come home and there are no scents, my brother can tell you, like, I'm like, Donnie didn't cook today. It is hilarious when I come home and sometimes I say to my brother, did Donnie cook today? I say, I don't know. Well, he knows because he gets in here before I do. So he knows if there's a pot on the stove or he smells something. Well, he'll just tease me. He'll just make me go through the motions. Then I hit the front door and lock the door and I smell. And I say, you could have said something. But I'm just saying, guys, it's the little things that are important. The little things. It's not the big things, you know. It's not the big things we try to fix in a later year. It's the little things that bears so much importance. So again, as I said, it doesn't matter what you put in the pot, you know. Just make sure, sir, you sit with the children and you be reasonable with them and you hold your good vibes with them. Let them see you listening to them so they know what they have to say is important. Let them hear you say kind words. Let them hear you say, oh my God, that was not so nice, but I hope for better. Let them hear you speak words of faith, believing that things are possible. Let them hear you believe in a supreme being. Let them hear you, let them see you do these things. Because, guys, that's what we're molding, we're creating the future. And as we do that, let us give them enough so there's that balance. Don't just fill the negative pot, the bad words, the put downs, the hateful talk, the threats, the bullying. Don't let them just hear those things. Don't let it be so imbalanced because there's so much of those weighing down on this side and so little of the love and caring. Let it be balanced. You don't even need the negatives. Just get rid of them. Any imbalance should be on this side with the positives. Kill them with the love. Kill them with the, I'm proud of you. Look at you. I'm so thankful you're trying. You know, you're filled with greatness. You keep going and believe me, it's going to work out. Let them hear you. You know, let them hear you and see that you don't give up. And when you're telling them not to give up, keep fighting, you got this, then they can believe it too because they see you doing it. But tonight I didn't intend to do a video, guys, but I came in and this thing, just the waft, the beautiful sense that just was wafting through the door that greeted me, just had me singing out, dinner cook, dinner cook. I was making up my own song. And it smells so good. Whether I'm hungry or not, it's so great to come home to the scent of the pot. So guys, I just wanted to reach out to you. And again, I say, whatever your situations are right now, find a moment to laugh. Laughter is such a thing that it uplifts the spirit. So find something to laugh about. You hear me? Find something. Laugh at yourself. Did you forget something you have? You decide to go to the kitchen and pick up something, and you go to the kitchen and left what you went in the front and turn back, and you just laugh out loud and say, damn, I went in there, it was right there. Laugh at yourself, man, and appreciate the changes in your lives, because again, we're not here forever. We're not here forever. Watch the process. That's our process too. Because everybody goes through it. Nobody's going to sit here and just live on and on and on forever. There's always that change. And so let us, as we reach the peak, and start going down on this side over here, learn to still laugh and love yourself. Appreciate your beauty. Appreciate everything. Your clean skin. Appreciate it, guys. You look at your skin and look how nice and smooth it is. And you look at some young people, them so dry out and stay. You give thanks. You are thankful. Because regardless of how big you are, what have you, if you're not taking care of yourself, everything going to fall apart. So take care of yourself nicely and feel good. And grow old with grace and appreciate it that your body is healthy enough to go through the changes. And you experience every change because that's how it should be. So this is Miss Bev just holding a vibes with you guys because I love you and appreciate you. Thanks to all the new people that came on today. I saw that we had a couple of new people. Thank you and welcome to the Miss Bev's Productions channel. And whatever you do, whatever you say, let it be healing. Let it not be hurting. Let it heal. Let it bring good memories because that's who we are, right? And each one helps one. And if you can't be good, be careful, but walk good, do good, live good. Keep dancing, keep smiling, keep singing. Lift the spirit, guys. Lift the spirit. Do not, do not, what they say now, do not defeat. That's the word. Do not defeat yourselves by just giving up already. Embrace who you are and just love yourselves enough to keep on doing the things that makes you radiate with love.